trip to Oregon. We started out last night after work. Got a later start than we wanted to.
Then we rode into Sportsmans Beach Campground on Walker Lake at about 1:45 this morning, and are now on the 395. We're in California heading towards Susanville, and tonight's stop is going to be somewhere near Mount Shasta.
Let's see how it goes. We got no specific plans, no reservations. We like to do dispersed camping using different apps for that. Found a campsite at dispersed camping, followed a trail, and it led us here. Really great spot, except and I don't think Brian did either, expected any snow on the ground. So it's going to be a little chilly. We are at about, what, 6,000 feet?
Yeah.
About 6,000 feet. Yeah, so it's going to be chilly. Thank God we got our 0-degree sleeping bag, and we got our tool liner in our Smitty Mill tent. Had a great day. Going through the Mount Shasta area, went to an overlook, met a couple of people who told us about all the stuff that was in the area.
There's some lava tube caves, some waterfalls, and
Tons of trails.
Tons of trails and
Both.
lakes.
Both off-road and hiking trails. Yeah, so lots to do, lots to see, but definitely requires a trip back just to explore the Shasta area. And even then, I don't think we'll have enough time.
So probably use 2 or 3 weeks easy.
Easy. So just had dinner, corn, steak, asparagus, staying on our Weight Watchers program. Tomorrow, we're going to make our way over to Yachats, Oregon, and which is our destination, our immediate destination, because we're going to hopefully explore more of Oregon, and see everything there is to see, hopefully, in that area. But this is where we're at tonight. Let me show you the front. Basically, more snow. So let's see how it goes. We shouldn't be having any problems. We got lights lit up. We got our air horn, just in case. We're going to put our trash above and away from our tent, and hopefully we'll have a night without incident, except for staying toasty warm. So is that everything for today, my friend?
Much I can think of.
Okay.
Need to feed the dog and get him ready for bed too.
Yeah, there we go. So keep making the most of that dash, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Hey, good morning, my friends. We made it through the night and it was nice and toasty inside the tent. Yes, we have a whole bunch of condensation between the lining of the tulle insulator lining and the outside of the tent. But we'll just open her up and let the sun come in and air her out, and then we'll be ready to go. But there's Black Betty. He's warming her up. Gonna have breakfast here in a little bit and then hit the road to Yachats, Oregon. So talk to you later. Okay, you guys, if you are ever in the area, and what town are we in?
This is called Weed,
We're in Weed, California.
just north of Mount Shasta.
You need to stop at Ellie's Espresso and Bakery. Oh my lord, this croissant, it's a chocolate croissant, just delicious. And yes, we are on Weight Watchers, but at the rate we've been logging those steps, we can afford this. Thank you, Ellie's Espresso and Bakery. It's so good. Ellie's Espresso and Bakery in Weed, California, just north of Shasta.